The total annual cost, employer plus employee, of health insurance can be approximated by C equals 606T plus 8,593, where T is the number of years since 2007. That is, T equals 0 corresponds to 2007. T equals 3 corresponds to 2010, and so on. Part A, find the total cost of health insurance in 2007, in 2009, and in 2012. Let's look at 2007. We were told in the previous page that when dealing with the year 2007, our T value would equal 0, meaning that we are 0 years past 2007. Substituting 0 for T into the cost equation gives us C equals 606 times 0 plus 8,593. Simplifying the right-hand side, we get 606 times 0, which is 0, plus 8593 is 8593. So in 2007, the cost was $8,593. Let's look at the year 2009, which is 2 years after 2007. So T is equal to 2. Make that substitution in the cost equation. C equals 606 times 2 plus 8,593. And when we perform the arithmetic, we get cost being $9,805. For 2012, now we are 5 years after 2007, so T is equal to 5. Make the substitution. C equals 606 times 5 plus 8,593. And when we perform the arithmetic, 606 times 5 plus 8593 is $11,623. Part B. Graph the equation and then use the graph to estimate the cost of health insurance in 2016. So let's plot our 3 data points. Our first point occurred at T equals 0 and the cost was $8,593. So let's plot the point 0, 8593, which is right about here. Our next data point happened at T equals 2 and the cost was $9,805. So 2, 9805. 9805, let's say somewhere about here. And T equals 5, 2012. T equals 5, we're at 11,623. 11,623 is about there. Let's go ahead and connect these 3 points with a line. Now let's use the graph to predict the cost of health insurance in 2016. 2016 is 9 years after 2007, so we want to take a look at T equals 9. So we'll find T equals 9 and we'll go up till we hit the graph, and then we'll go left and we see that that value is 14,000. So using the graph, we estimate that the cost of health insurance in 2016 will be $14,000. Part C. Predict the year in which the cost of health insurance will be $15,259. For this problem, we want to set the cost equation equal to $15,259 and solve for T. So we'll let C be $15,259, and we're going to set that equal to 606T plus 8,593. So to solve this equation for t, we subtract 8,593 from both sides. That gives us 606t is equal to 6,666. And now we'll divide both sides by 606. 606 divide out, and on the left side, 6,666 divided by 606 is 11. So now we want to go 11 years beyond 2007, so that year would be 2018.